This week we'll look to infinity and beyond at something that's out of this world. It's the alien from Toy Story. To begin the alien, I'm going to do a nice big round oval shape to be the shape of his head. On either side of the head, we need to add in ears. They're pointed at the top, but a little bit rounded underneath. At the top of his head, right in the middle, is where the antenna will go. I have 2 lines, and I end it with a circle. Under that antenna will be where our first eye goes. The eyes are all oval shapes, and there are 3 of them, so be sure to add 1 more eye on either side of the first. Then I add a little line at the top of each eye to look like the eyelid. And each eye will have a nice round pupil shape that I like to fill in. In the middle of the face is where we will put his mouth. It starts with 1 long line and has little dimple lines on each end. Right above that line, I do a small little curve, and under the line, I do a slightly bigger curve. When I fill that space in, it'll make it look like his mouth is open. Then I add an extra line under the head, which will look like his collar. We need to start adding the rest of his body. It's sort of straight going down, and it needs to have a nice line at the bottom to show where he ends. I'll do a line through the middle of it, and this will be what his belt looks like. It should have a rectangle shape right in the middle. Then I draw a line to show the difference between his 2 legs. After that, I can add in his feet. Now the feet might cover up a little bit of the body that we had already drawn. You just have to erase out anything you don't want to see anymore. Next up will be his arms. I do 2 lines right next to each other to show his sleeve, and then I draw a thumb and 2 fingers. We'll try the same thing on the other side. 2 lines for the arm, then I draw the thumb and 2 fingers. For his uniform logo, I start with a circle shape. This planet looks like Saturn, so it needs a ring that goes right through the middle. It also has a few little dots to show texture. To elevate your artwork, maybe you can draw the claw, taking away your alien. Or maybe you can think of other Toy Story characters that you could draw with your alien. There's a whole galaxy full of possibilities.